In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the live chat widget in GoHighLevel. First thing you're going to want to do is go down from your dashboard, down to sites, all the way over on the right, chat widget. Now you can see I already have an SMS email chat widget in this account, but what I want to do is set up a live chat widget, right? So we can respond live with all those AI agents we created in other videos. So you're going to go new right here. And instead of just a live chat, you're going to go all-in-one chat, right? So we're going to do the all-in-one chat. And if you've got WhatsApp, you can include that here. But let me show you the prime customizations, right? So the first thing you're going to do is the styles, right? Which style do you want? And you can see over on the right, with a picture or without a picture. We want a picture. You can change your icon down here below, which is nice. Or you can do a custom icon, which is what we're going to do right now. Let me upload one. There you go. Remember, it's 300 pixels by 300 pixels. Double click it. Now we got a custom icon down there. The next thing you can do is change your color scheme. I don't really want green or blue. I want my colors. I found that it's just easier to use the hex chrome, whatever your colors are, right here, all the way down. Don't worry about, let me move this over, worry about customizing it. It has its own different shades. If you want to go that deep, go for it. And you've got a graphics degree, but I think it looks just fine by using the primary colors. You could switch if you've got 2 or 3 primary colors. You can see when you change this, what affects what, right? So that's green. So as you go down the line, you can tweak the colors as you want. That's a great way to do it. Here you can see me doing it again. Yeah, that's the outline. Maybe you want that black. That could be cool. Move that over there. That's cool. But I want this effect where when I put in the icon, I want all red to red. So anyway, there you go. I want the red. You'll see why in a second. Roboto family, you can change your fonts here. Your welcome message, you can change it here. Remember below, if they've been there before, it will say their first name. That's a nice little thing. Now here is the picture that we want to replace, right? So I just hit replace. I want to replace that with the same chat. Boom, there we go. It's red. I like it. I'm good with it. Hit save. Make sure you name it. This one's going to be Angry Live Chat. I should call it all-in-one chat, right? Make sure you hit save because GoHighLevel is a little weak, wonky with the autosave right now. So I always like to not lose my work. Have a question. You can customize this. Your intro message, name, phone number. I like to collect an email as well. Your send, redirect your call to action. This is nice if you want to redirect them to a page or a website. You can send them to, support maybe. I don't need that for this particular client. Live chat assigned. Give us a minute. We'll assign you. You can enable a welcome message for this. Looks like no one's available. That's if you have somebody live and ready to respond to your chat. Business hour setup will need to be done as well. So these are your business hours, right? So you're working 8 to 5. You don't want the chat to take over things, right? But it will work after hours. So I've got a lot of clients that say that, hey, I don't want it during, business hours. That's my job. This is for after hours. So this is a really great feature as well. The additional options, I like this. This is for me and the agency, and we power it by Go Agency. So the consent checkbox, if you're not in medical and you're not accepting patient records, you don't need this checked. You don't need HIPAA checked, okay? So we're going to save again. And then I'll take you through the last tab here, the live chat acknowledgement. You're going to acknowledge the message that the chat is in. You can customize any of these that you want, including the acknowledgement icon. I don't really like to customize that. I like this. And then placeholder, color, and English is your language. So those are all the things that you can do. You can test it over here if you'd like to see how everything looks. And you're off into the races once you hit save. Now, how do you put this in your site? There's a couple different ways to do this. If you have a high-level site, you can just embed it, right, and click it. If you got WordPress, highly recommend downloading the Lead Connector app. It's only crashed once. The other thing is just to get a code for any site, Wix, blah, 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 whatever your HTML WYSIWYG preference is. This covers it. And then you can also do the GTM, the Google Tag Manager, which is great. You can copy this code, put it in a tag manager, put it on multiple sites. So for this video, I'm just going to go to the website real quick and show you how to embed the chat widget. It's right here. And once you go to your website or funnel, you click settings, and you're going to roll down to the default chat widget, which was this other one. Now I'm going to change it to Hangry Live Chat. I'm going to hit save. And then I'm just going to test it, make sure it works. And here we go. And boom, live chat is ready to go. We can test it here. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video while we continue to bring AI to all businesses.